Okay, this is step by step uh, on how to import your Revshare. So um, here is the original file that I downloaded. What I did first thing first is change the column name exactly the same in your Attractzen. So these are your column names. You need to go to settings and then custom fields and then yeah, right there. And then this is what and this is the CSV file that I edited. It should be always CSV file so you can import. And as you can see, there is the address. I separate the city, state, postal code. As you can see, the original file is just the address. So yeah, you need to separate those. So the reason why I changed the column name exactly what is in here in your Attractzen, it's because it's to make your import more easier. So here I will show you. This is how you import now and upload your file. Next, as you can see, you already have the system automatically match the column from your CSV file to tracks and fields. So if for example if this is just mentor name, it will just give you an empty. You what you need to do is you need to select the field name for this column name. So yeah, that's the advantage of editing the column name exactly the name the column fields in your Attractzen. You don't need to select, just uh, import it and then just next. So for this, you need to I I advise to add a tag to for you to make an smart list for this one and make sure you always tick this add new and update existing because you you're if just to make sure if you have already existing contact it will just update it, but if you don't have it will add a new one. So this is how the system um, look up for the update of the contact. So i- so this one if you want don't update empty values for existing record. If you want to do that, just tick this one, or if you don't want, just untick it. So let's add a tag now and just hit submit. And then, so this is the advantage of having that tag. I will show you. Tag is my rev share, yeah. So you can create a smart list for that one. Um, yeah, right there. As you can see, you just need to um, when you're all, you can just pick that and then you can see all your rev share. And right here on opportunities, um, rev share special edition, your rev share list are automatically go to these stages. So yeah, and also make sure you share the smart list that you did. Just click Please share smart list.